Some of you may be asking where I've been. And that's a fine question. I had a good run doing some streaming, workshop stuff, putting out videos, and then it all came to a fairly abrupt halt. No uploads, no nothing. I'm going to call this a case of life. And this is going to sound very much like a country song. Very much like a country song. So what's happened? Well, I'm in a different place. My partner of 12 years left me. We had to sell the house, which means a number of different things. The workshop, the mill, the lathe, the entire wood shop has gone. I sold it all. I don't have access to that anymore. I do have access to wood shops. A friend of mine owns a woodworking company, and another friend of mine's got a wood shop. You know, so it's a bit of a jaunt. And when I say a jaunt, I mean one of them's like 2-hour drive. But I've got access to wood shops, so there'll be some more of that at a certain point. So, girlfriend left, sold the house, and I had some stuff at work. I'm going to be honest, because there's no point in BSing you guys. That took a physical and mental toll on me. A massive mental toll. And I'm just about back on my feet now. Not 100%. I'm in a new place. Stereo set up. Kitchen's good. Got a bedroom. Yada yada. My office is obviously here. And now I have to figure out what I'm going to do going forward. And that's a tricky one. This entire platform was built upon climbing holds and then reviewing stuff. I'm going to continue reviewing things. I did not almost buy an M10 monochrome yesterday. That's very close, but I didn't. So life is a bit interesting. I'm streaming. Up here somewhere is my Twitch channel. Come past if you don't mind a bit of gaming, hang out, have fun. I've got a bunch of lens reviews coming because I bought some new lenses. I bought some new shoes. No one's surprised by me buying shoes. And as I find my feet, I want you to just bear with me. It's been rough. It's been fucking rough. My general plan these days is to try and put out a video a week of some kind, either a review or something. I don't know yet. I need to find my new format. But I am listening to a lot of music. So go follow me up here on Facebook or Instagram, whatever. I'm trying to listen to physical media, i.e. vinyl CD. I'm trying to listen to an album a day. I'm failing because there's life and things to do, but I'm trying to listen to an album a day, and the next video after I hang up this one is to talk about what I've listened to in the last month. But that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to listen. I don't want to turn into a music channel in any way, shape or form. I'm doing photography gigs at the local record store. But yeah, I'm back. It's going to be a slow return. To say that I've been kicked in the teeth is an understatement. I'm picking myself up. I'm licking my wounds. I'm moving forward. Now, Ultra Range 2.0, someone put in the comments, you should do an update on those. Fuck those shoes. The range that's coming, I bought a bunch of pairs of those and I've kicked the crap out of all of them, apart from one pair, which are still, let's go minty fresh. But there's a reason for that. So there's stuff coming. Stay tuned. I'm sorry for being absent, distant, not available for a period of time. But sometimes when life kicks you in the teeth, that's what happens. You have to sit down and you have to deal with yourself, which is what I've done. Or I think I've done. I don't know. I'm in a good place, so we're fine. So, you lovely people, please stay tuned. There'll be another video probably this evening talking about the CDs, not the vinyl, just the CDs that I've listened to. And that's going to be interesting because that is a smorgasbord, for want of a better term, of just music. And it goes from Paul Simon to Strapping Young Lad. So enjoy that one and take care of yourselves. I'm sorry for being disappearing up my own arse. Peace.